A survey that was taken back in 2018 showed that 22% of its participants reported feeling angry, while 39% felt extremely worried. And while anger is a state of mind that is necessary for our survival, it often gets out of hand when our stress levels increase. And it can have many physical symptoms that we rarely realize until they have progressed quite a bit. Today's video will discuss 5 things that happen to our body when we shout, and how to control it. 1. Your heart rate and blood pressure increase. 2. Your immune system takes a hit. 3. Anger creates a variety of health problems. 4. Your memories might get affected. 5. Yelling can cause chronic pain. How to stop yourself from shouting. There are certain steps that might help you control your anger and engage yourself in a healthy conversation without outbursts. Think before you speak. Express your frustration after you've calmed down. Take a time out to find possible solutions. Don't hold grudges. Forgiving people can release you from all the anger and stress that a bad moment with them offered you. Try and look at things more humorously. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, listening to relaxing music, and repeating calming words can tone down your anger when it appears. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you can see that nothing helps, and you can't control yourself all alone, you can go to a professional. Of course, you will need to put in the work, but the expert will guide you in the best way possible to reach your goal. Do you know of any successful ways to get rid of anger? Let me know in the comment section below.